Today we are gonna watch Best Car LED Headlight on Amazon. Number 1. The H11 LED bulb is 1.5x brighter than halogen bulbs, with pure white color light, allowing you to see further and clearer. For safer driving, save installation time. No tools needed to replace the lower profile H11 LED bulb. Although the factory housing has a dust cover or there is limited space on the passenger side, only needs 10 minutes, no more frequent replacements. The Headlight S1 LED bulbs strike a perfect balance of performance and lifespan. The bulb can last for 20 years. Even you drive for 6 hours at night every day. Fanless design without fan. There is no chance of fan failure. The H11 LED lights features smart cooling. It also doesn't have annoying noise. Even you have sensitive ears. You can enjoy your driving, won't blind other drivers. The H11 LED low beam bulb has a perfect beam pattern to ensure the safety of both drivers, with no glare or dark spots. Reduces your driving stress and exhaustion. Number 2. Headlight 9005 H11 LED Headlight Bulbs Kit. 350% brightness. HB3 High Beam H11 Low Beam LED Bulbs Combo. LED Headlight Bulbs Combo enhance super focused beam pattern for optimal light shape and clearer visibility. No dark spots or shadow areas. No blinding or glare to oncoming drivers, which avoids driver distraction caused by scattered light problem to ensure driving safety, making it the optimal LEDs to replace your factory bulbs. All-in-one compact design. Built-in driver for taking up less space in housing. 1/1 mini size as original halogen bulbs for batter compatibility. Real plug and play. Quickly install in 10 mins. 9005 H11 Combo LED Headlight Kit. Smoothly fits into vehicle's housing and factory sockets, even with limited space in headlight housing. No retrofitment required. No radio interference, 70% energy saving, brighter light output, with much less power consumption. Thanks to premium aviation aluminum heat sink with optimized 10,000 RPM silent turbo cooling fan. 9005 H11 LED headlight efficiently speeds up heat dissipation to prevent bulbs from overheat to ensure durability, allowing lifespan up to 50,000 hours, equivalent to 100 halogen bulbs, to get rid of frequent bulbs replacements. And number 3. Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra Halogen Headlight Bulb Pack of 2. Sylvania Silver Star Ultra is our brightest downroad halogen headlight in our entire family of products, compared to Sylvania Basic. The combination of our furthest down road, more side road, and wider light helps the driver achieve more clarity, making the night drive a less stressful and more comfortable experience. The brighter the light downroad, the farther you'll be able to see. Silver Star Ultra headlights offer more clarity, ultra night vision, and a wider halogen headlight. Sylvania Automotive is proud to offer a large variety of outstanding products that meet the needs of all consumers. Style, performance, and safety alike. Sylvania Silver Star Ultra bulbs are DOT legal for on-road use. This pack of Silver Star Ultra headlight bulbs works with multiple vehicle makes and models. Number 4. Philips 12362B2 Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb. Illuminate the road ahead using the Philips 12362B1 H11 Standard Halogen Headlight Automotive Lamp Bulb. It is DOT compliant and offers original equipment quality. With a dependable design, it emits bright, clear light, providing better visibility on the road and overall safer driving. The Philips automotive bulbs should be replaced in pairs to ensure a symmetric beam from both headlights. Philips H11 12362B1 Standard Halogen Headlight Automotive Lamp Bulb Pack of 1. Philips Automotive 12362B1 bulb is DOT compliant. 55-watt, 12-volt light bulb of original equipment quality. Emits bright, clear light, providing better visibility on the road and overall safer driving. Halogen bulb. Bulbs dim over time. Dependable performance. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs. 12V automotive bulb fits select vehicles. Number 5. Eventech 9005 HB3 LED Headlight Bulbs. Eventech's innovative cooling system with specially designed air ducts at the bottom, together with a 15,000 RPM turbo fan, greatly improves the cooling effect. In addition, the latest upgraded LED bulb and dual thermal copper tube are used. Ensure that the service life exceeds 60,000 hours. So far today. See you next day and subscribe.